Hi friends, Helga here. In this video, let's create a cute 3D beaded letter M. It's perfect as a bag charm or a stylish keychain. For this project, I'm using 4mm round glass beads. You'll need 120 pieces in total. You'll also need 0.25mm clear fishing line. Cut a piece about 30 inches long. Step 1. String 4 beads. Take the other end of the line and cross it through the last bead. Bring the ends together and pull it to the center. Next, put 2 beads on one side and 1 bead on the other. Take the side with 1 bead and cross it through the last bead on the opposite side. Repeat this again. 2 beads on one side, 1 on the other, then cross. And repeat one more time. Now, on one of the sides, string 3 beads and cross the other end through the last one. Time for a turn. On the top line, string 2 beads and cross the bottom end through the last one. Thread the left line down through the nearest bead of the previous row. Now, on the bottom line, add 2 beads and cross. On that same bottom line, string 4 beads. Take that same end and thread it back through the first of those 4 beads. Pull this little cross tight against the rest of the work. On the left line, add 2 beads and cross the right end through. Next, on the bottom line, string 3 beads and cross the top end through. To turn again, add 2 beads to the left side and cross the right end through. Add 3 beads to the top and cross. Once tightened, thread the left end down through the nearest bead. On the right side, add 2 beads and cross. Now we go back to the basic pattern. 2 beads on one side, 1 on the other, and cross. Do this twice. Finally, string 3 beads on one side and thread that same line back through the bead from the previous cross. Let's secure the ends. I like to use a loop method and then hide the knot inside a bead. It's best to repeat this a little further up for extra strength. Cut off the excess line. For the 3D effect, make 2 identical M shapes. Take a new piece of line, about 30 inches long, and let's stitch them together. Start by adding 1 bead. Now add another bead and cross both ends through it. Pull it tight, then thread each end through the matching beads on both M pieces. Add 1 bead and cross. Repeat this all the way around the edge of the figure. You can add your keychain hardware at any point. Mine is a bit large here, but I'm using it to show you the process clearly. Finish the stitching and tie off the ends using the loop method, just like before. Make sure to hide the knot inside a bead and repeat the process at least twice for security. Trim the extra line and enjoy the result. I hope yours turned out great. See you in the next video.